Hola YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, welcome to the crazy family. If you were to be here, ya tú sabes que tú eres parte de la familia. I was hella hype doing this tutorial. Don't mind me. I'm chilling with my robe on, drinking water. I was hella hype. Let's get the tutorial going. Tutorial. What I'm starting with. Should I cut off my tutorials because you guys already know what's up, what this is? This is my MAC, corrector that I use all the time to, get these dark marks around my mouth situated. And this brush, I've been loving it, is by BH Cosmetics. It sets the stuff in there really good. Kind of like my new obsession right now, new drugstore foundations, the Super Stay Maybelline stick foundation. I used it in the color Warm Sun 334 and Warm Coconut in 356. I mix them together. Most of you guys might have a heart attack because I put so much foundation on. But listen, this is my face. And I love it. It's completely fine. I'm the one suffering, not you. I heard you guys complaining in the other video like, I can't believe you so much foundation. You're suffocating. I'm okay. I survived. I'm doing the voiceover. I'm using my, where is this booty blender from? This booty blender is from Tarte. Yes. We're gonna go ahead and blend the whole thing out and we're ready to go. Now we're gonna move into one of my favorite palettes, the Morphe Dare to Create. The colors in this palette are beautiful. Sorry, I don't have no discount code for you guys or anything like that, but I bet you if you go on YouTube, you will find one. Everyone has a code with them, and I think it's like 10% off or something like that. Kind of cool. So I just grabbed those two transition colors and put it all over my lid, like literally mix them both and stack the thing on my lid, top and bottom. And no, not bottom yet because I'm gonna jump all over the place. Then I grabbed my Wet n Wild Smolder eyeliner. This eyeliner is amazing. It was like 99-cent store. I got it from the 99-cent store. And if you guys know and been like old on my YouTube channel, I love Feline, but I couldn't find Feline by MAC. Feline is like the one for the smoky eye, but I forgot that I bought this one and I had it in there and I tried it and I was like, you're the same thing and you're $1. So this one, to do like a smoky look, this pencil is amazing because it smudges easy and it's not waterproof or nothing. Then after that, I'm gonna grab a little brush like this. This is the detail. This is with the key of the makeup, okay? This brush is gonna help you create your little fake liner, blend everything out to something skinny and flat to create that illusion that you want, because we're gonna do like a black owl smoky eye. I did this picture on Instagram like a week ago and you guys were like, you need to do a tutorial on this. It's like a sexy wind owl smoky eye. I think it's beautiful and it's good for any occasion, like mostly like nighttime, but the brush like this will get you going. And then don't worry about getting messy because it's gonna get messy. That's why I'm taking my time and I'm like, okay, let's leave that alone. Now we're gonna jump to another part of the face. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape concealers and I'm using a new color. I didn't know that they stand their colors. I forgot, they messed up so much with the foundation situation that I just didn't even bother to even look farther. But I went to an event the other day and they were giving out the new colors that they got and I was like, what? So I'm using Deep as a normal to just correct underneath to kind of like make everything situation. But this one right here is a new color. This one is the Tan Deep Sand. I used to use Tan Sand before, so this one's like a tint darker, but then when I put it on I was like, it might be a little lighter, but it did work. It went on my skin so nice. And maybe because they were new, they went in different. I have to go in my beauty room and throw out half of my makeup because half of the stuff in there is old. And I'm just a makeup hoarder and I hold it. I don't want to throw it away. Even like foundations, concealers, and stuff get old, you guys. Like your foundation don't go on the same. Concealers don't go on the same because you have to change your acting after like a year or so. They have like a 6-month span. Not even a year. This one right here I'm sitting, this one has a 6-month span. After open, you have 6 months to use this concealer, and after that you need to throw it away because if you keep it longer than that, it will break you out. I'm kind of going through that situation right now because I used a mask the other day and it literally broke me out. So yeah, anyways, back to the tutorial. I'm just applying this concealer all over the place as a highlightation situation, then grabbing my Tarte Booty Blender and blending everything out. I start always with the lip area, my chin, and then I work up to my nose. I don't know why I do this. There's no reason why. I just like getting that out of the way first before I attack the eyes. And also I do it so my under eye gets more like the concealer sits in there more. And when I'm blending it out, it looks more lighter if you know what I mean. And then I blend it out like, yes, girl, what's that? Look at that under eye. This foundation is amazing, and everything just mixed out beautifully with the situation. Then after that, we're grabbing the darker tone as the same foundation, Superstay Maybelline foundation in the color Mocha 360, and I am contouring my face with this baby. I love how the foundation goes on. It glides on easily. It gives you a full coverage. And it looks beautiful. I thought I was gonna like it, and I love it. And then I blend it out with the Beauty Blender, and we snatch, baby. Then we're gonna go ahead and cook, set, whatever you want to call it. I'm grabbing the Flower Beauty Bakery Better Not Bitter cooking powder in yellow, and I'm just setting underneath my eyes. I'm not cooking because when I cook, it makes me look ashy and like a little older, but I'm just setting so my concealer won't move at all. And look at that face. Yes, it snatched me. This powder is really, really good. Then I'm grabbing my new favorite, the Too Faced Born This Way translucent medium powder, and I'm setting my whole face with this. I thought at first that I could cook with this one. It was a little too dark, so just setting my face with it just a little bit. It looks beautiful, and I look flawless. All right, so now going back with the liner, we're gonna attack the other side of the face. This tutorial is kind of all over the place because that's just how I do my makeup. And when I'm talking to you guys and recording at the same time, I get thrown off. So that's why I'm enjoying doing this voice over, because I get to be more detailed with you guys. So what I'm doing now, I'm grabbing the Wet n Wild pencil again with the brush, and this is where we're gonna create our liner. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes when I create this look, the liner comes out looking sexy, sultry, very innocent. There's different days how the liner feels, and I can't control that. Today it gave me a cute, sexy situation. I loved it. So basically what I'm doing is just dragging the color out with the brush. That's why you need something very firm and something very skinny, because that's what's gonna control your liner. Sometimes it's gonna be bigger, sometimes it's gonna be smaller, but I like it. This one is a BUXUM eyeshadow. It doesn't have a name because you get to customize your colors in there. I will put the name down in the bottom to let you know what it is, but it's like a brown tone, and with a fluffy brush I'm gonna go on top of the eyeliner and blend it out because I want it to be smoked. I don't want it to be like, oh, she has a liner there, but like, you know, it's smoked, kind of like it's there but it's smoked, you know. I just want it to be like, oh, that's her harsh liner. No harsh liner here at all. So blend the edges on top, and even your little wing out, blend it with the brown color to make it look smoke out. That is the point. And then I just go grab more however you want it. You could do this liner, this style of makeup with any color. Kind of want to try it with purple. Kind of want to do purple eyeshadow. I've been in the mood for that. I don't know why. And then do the same thing to the other eye. Smoke it out. Give me the smoky effect. And I was like, okay, or are we there yet? Not quite. So I'm going to go ahead and grab more. Blend in. So until you're comfortable with your smoke out, that's when you stop. I kept on going back and forth. And then I was like, you know what? I need more. So I went back with the first colors that I tried from the Dare to Create palette to blend everything out and for everything to look the same. So I went back and forth, applying, taking out. Then I went on top with black eyeshadow. So yeah, you're putting in, and then you're satisfied. You're like, okay, I think we're good. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a smaller brush, skinny, also with the same brown, and this for the lower lash area, and the black eyeliner, blend that out with a little bit of the brown so it doesn't look too harsh. So do basically the same thing in both of the eyes, and I think we finally did it after 2 hours of trying this eye makeup. It was a long time. It was not 5 minutes. So take your time. Don't think it's 11-minute tutorial. Was literally like 2 hours and a half. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab some lashes. These ones are by Salon Perfect. Stack them together and put those babies on. Some mascara by Tarte. This is what I do to every mascara. I bend the one because it's just easier to apply. Don't judge me. I always do this. And I go top, bottom, and right after this I poke my eye so hard I cry for a good 20 minutes. So freaking hard. You know that pain when you poke your eye with the mascara one? Dios mío, don't wish it on nobody. Then I'm gonna go ahead and contour the face using this Tarte palette. I don't know. Oh, it's a collaboration with Shayla. I think this one, I don't know, this came out a long time ago, but I love this contour. And I'm just putting a little, I feel like when you have a smoky eye and a nude lip, your face needs to be like extra snatch because like more sexy. That's like in my mind. Do you think the same way or just me that thinks that? And I'm grabbing that color and snatching my soul up. And I think we're snatch up, honey. Yes. Now I'm like, what to do next? What's next? And you guys, I was cleaning my makeup out and I found my favorite blush ever. You could tell this is my favorite blush because it has pan. This blush is hella old. I need to throw this away, but I need to go to MAC see if they have a new one because Eternal Sun Prolonged Blush by MAC is beautiful. I forgot how much I love this blush. That's like my everyday. So now we're gonna drench my face with Fix Plus. Well, not drench because when I drench, my face gets oily fast. So like 4 little squirt, just to kind of have the face a little moisture in there because I was a little tied up, you know. And I'm excited because today I am trying the new MCGRAMTH Sublime Skin Highlightings. These highlighters are beautiful, you guys. Like, I wasn't gonna buy it because I was like, I have way too much highlighter, but just how the consistency of this product is beautiful. I do recommend using a different brush, not the one that I'm using, because I was using a synthetic brush and it was grabbing the product and kind of leaving it there and not blending it out. So I was kind of going back and forth. And then I was excited because the color was beautiful. But then after that, I had to go on top with this e.l.f. More like blending brush to diffuse the product because the product got stuck on my cheeks and it wouldn't move with the other brush. But how this goes in it looks like wet skin. It's beautiful. Like, I know it's pricey, but it's gorgeous. And I used the whole palette. Well, I didn't use the pink color because my highlight would have been pink, but I used the 2 golds and I was like, yes. And then of course I gotta hit you guys with the button nose. When was the last time I said button nose live? A long time ago, because I always do talking videos and I forget to like do it. So yeah, button nose live. Now we're moving to the lips. I'm grabbing Dose of Colors. I love Dose of Colors consistency of the liquid lipstick. This one is called Knock on Wood. This little technique I learned it from Shayla. It's just easier for the lipstick and the liner to go on, and because you layering so many products, it doesn't feel so thick. Your lips still feel light. So then I go on top of that with another one from Dose of Color. This one is Katie and Desi, More Creamer Please. Beautiful nude lipstick. And of course we're gonna light them up. We're not gonna be looking like a powder donut. No, it still looks cute though. But we still gotta line it with cork, my best friend, my everything. This liner, it's my everything. Osito always tends to bite them and destroy them. I don't know why he don't grab another liners. He grabs the cork and destroys it. So I had to go to MAC and buy like 5 because for backup, God can't be running low on this one. This is it. This is my best friend with my nudie situation. And I know some of you guys hate when I say situation. That's my word, please. Get used to it because it's not going nowhere until I find another one. Then I blend it out with the fingers again and then go on top with the gloss of a Neat Freak by ColourPop, Shayla with ColourPop. Love this lip gloss. It goes on very nice and it has like little glitters in it. So I just love the combo situation. And this is it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and set the face now using the Urban Decay All Nighter because we gotta stay this face put, even though I didn't go nowhere, but I just needed to stay. And then I just drenched my face with it because I needed to stay put. And we are done. This is the finished look. I changed my clothes. I put a wig on and changed the background just to match me. But thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Tell me what you guys think of the voiceover. I enjoy this voiceover for tutorials because I get more in detailed than the other times. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you guys on my next video. Ciao, besitos.